Rachel from the Association of Refugee Women in Uganda.
Our organization is dedicated to empowering women and girls through community-based approaches, challenging harmful social-cultural norms, revitalizing family networks, and fostering economic independence. We are currently implementing a project titled Empowering Refugee Women Through Good Farming in the Nakivale refugee settlement, specifically at the Rubondo sub-base camp in Isingiro district. This project aims to provide sustainable income sources and enhance food security and economic stability for women in these communities. According to UNHCR, 51% of refugee households in Uganda require livelihood support. Our project addresses this need by providing goat farming training and business entrepreneurship lessons to 150 refugee women survivors of gender-based violence, widows, single mothers, and foster parents.
We are grateful for the funding support from our partners, Lifting Hands International, which has enabled us to implement this livelihood